It's like I'm in a deserted, like, what is it? I mean, winter place or whatever. The streets is completely covered in snow. This is oh my god. Look at that. Oh my fucking god. That's awesome. Crazy. Well, how the fuck I'm gonna get out this bitch? Oh my fucking god, I'm stuck. I can't go back the other way. Or can I? This cold as a bitch out this motherfucker. See, this is what happens when it snows in fucking Baltimore, Maryland. Oh, the snow's deep as a bitch. Look at this. Oh. Knee-high snow, people. Knee-high snow. Oh my fucking god. By the way, this is, my iPod Nano. Great video quality. It's amazing. This is the longest walk of my life. It's the longest walk of my life. The fucking knee-high snow, people. Amazing. Look. I'm literally 2 feet, probably more, on the snow. My knee is right here. Fucking amazing. Well, it could be like that just because we're going down a little, like, steep, like a little hill. But I mean, amazing nonetheless. Oh my fucking god. Wow, the tree almost fell down. I'm putting this on YouTube. This is great. I'm so tired. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit, I fell. Oh. Oh. What is this? This is unheard of. Oh my goodness. I just fell again. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Right now I'm stuck in the snow. Almost out. Almost out. Almost out. Oh my goodness. Let's see what the streets look like, people. The streets are okay, surprisingly. That's how much snow fell. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. A winter fucking wonderland.